The Bosch GlassVac is the first cordless window vacuum cleaner of Bosch. It's a product that brings together the wiper technology from automotive Bosch with the power tool technology of battery packs. The wiper element is engineered, produced and manufactured here in the lead plant of Bosch in Tienen in Belgium. And we're very proud to bring this product into your homes.
Robert Bosch has provided a clear view to car drivers since 1926. We select and mix our rubber raw materials up to the highest automotive standards. Our patented Power Protection Plus technology ensures a perfect wiping performance and easy gliding in all conditions.
Based on our profound knowledge of highly automated processes, we are able to reproduce the same high-quality rubber for over 90 million pieces per year, which brings us to the leading market position worldwide.
The superiority of a window vacuum lies within its wiper plate. An innovative plate will lead to a streak-free finish, which is the ultimate goal when it comes to the windows of our users. The collaboration with our Bosch automotive colleagues enabled us to use proven and market-leading technology and bring it right into our users' homes. The polymer coating within the plate will ensure a faster and easier glide, which gets the job done quicker, but also due to less friction will ensure a streak-free finish. We are very, very proud of this patented plate, and as such, we as Bosch are the only window vacuum on the market that has such unique technology within the tool.